Good morning, my dear student. How are you? I think you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. My dear student, now you are staying at your home because your school is closed due to COVID-19 coronavirus. My dear student, we are very lucky for that super cyclone Yash didn't attack our country and we are safe from this cyclone. So thanks God for this. My dear student, I am Mohammad Fariduzzaman, Assistant Teacher English, Barobaza Secondary Girls School, welcoming you from Barobaza Secondary Girls School online class. My today's class on English second paper, class 7, title article. My dear student, we have some topics in our grammar book. From these topics, article is very important. Actually, in our particular life, in our daily life, we are using this and we are making some mistake, we are making some wrongs. When we use article, we have to be careful about it. So my dear student, please follow. Article. First, what is article? Generally we know A, N and D is called article. Actually, these three words identify where the number of things is definite or indefinite. So we can say article is of two types. What? First type, definite article. And second one, indefinite article. So my dear student, what we have understand that article is of two types, that is definite article and indefinite article. While we use things, maybe singular or plural, and that is definite, that is called definite article, and we use before the definite, for the definite article, that is the. And indefinite article, where the things are not definite. In case of indefinite article, we use A or N. So my dear student, again I am telling you that definite article, that is the, and indefinite article, that is A or N. Now we will learn where we use A, where we use N, and where we use D. So my dear student, please wait, I am using another board for you. Okay my dear student, that is the article, and already we have know that three words, that is A, N and D. For today's class, I will discuss where we can use A and where we can use N. So first, use of A. My dear student, in case of using A, we will maintain three conditions. And first one, the parts of speech or word must be singular countable noun. So where we use a before singular countable noun. This is the first condition, using a before singular countable noun, and this noun must be first time in the passage, and starting sound is like consonant. Consonant in Bengali we can say Banton Bond. So before a word we use a, and this word must apply three conditions, such as a pen. Please notice, my dear student, we use a before pen. Why? Because pen is a singular countable noun, and I use pen for the first time. So while we use a word first time in the passage, and the third condition, starting sound is like consonant. Starting sound pen, p, that means paw, as like as Banton Bond. That is why we use a before pen. Likewise, we can give another example, a shirt. What happened here, my dear student? This is shirt. I am using shirt for the first time, and this shirt starts with S, and sound is like consonant S, Dante Shaw. That means Banton Bond. So this is singular and comes for the first time. Starting sound is like consonant. So all three conditions matched here. So we are using A for shirt. My dear student, please follow. Where we use an. So use of an. Many students are very weak for using an. They make some mistakes. I think from my class, if you attentively conduct my class, then this the difficulty will go on. So use of an, condition as like as A, it has also three conditions, that is singular countable noun, where we use an before singular countable noun, and like A for the first time in the passage, must be for the first time in the passage. Starting sound is like vowel. That means in Bengali we can say short one. So this three condition I am telling again. And must be seated before a singular countable noun, and this noun must come first time in the passage, and these words starting sound is like vowel, that means short one. I can give you some examples here. Please follow. An apple. What happens here? I am using an before apple because apple is a singular countable noun, and apple I am using apple for the first time. So first time in the passage, starting sound is like vowel, starting sound is like short or no, that is apple, a or a. That means short word, that is vowel. And A, my dear student, please follow. I am using an before A because A is a singular countable noun, and A comes first time in the passage. Starting sound is like vowel. A is a short word, that is vowel, so we are using an. My dear student, I think from my class you can understand where we use a and where we use and why we use a and why we use an. So your home tasks I am giving you. Please fill in the blank. Dash horse. Use a or an here. Use a or an here. Dash box. Dash bus. Dash tree. Dash umbrella. My dear student, you are staying at home and you will remain staying at home, and please fill in these blanks at your home and continue our online classes and maintain the rules of health. So for the time being, thank you very much for watching my class. Allah Hafiz.